put on those suicide shit.
It even
Let's talk about this. People killing themselves.
Yeah. So this is my F-150 with almost 200,000 on it. I don't know why my door lock got pushed in. My son was using my truck. And then I'm finally replacing the window switch.
Why are you doing this big?
So this is pretty simple. Just pop this panel up. It's got some easy clips. Pop that up. And then you got to pry back on this plastic just a little bit in 4 spots to relieve the switch. That's pretty simple. We got one from Amazon. So I hope that it works. Let's check it out. It looks the same-ish. It looks the same-ish. How many guys hate that? How annoying is that? So, pretty simple to do here. I hope they got the right one. Because the window, excuse me, on the right rear never worked. Oh, it works! And then the right front was barely working, and it actually lights up. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Worst key fobs ever. The key guy talked me into this, right? So every time that you sit on these buttons, it does stupid shit to your doors unlock and the alarm goes off. You're better off just having it separate. The all-in-one keys suck. The key with the key fob is always better. I will never ever do that again. He's like, oh, it's cheaper, it's better, it's okay, yeah, it's better. Yeah. I'm constantly unlocking and locking my car and alarm shit. All right, so there you have it, 04 F-150 master window switch on my own truck.